Hi everyone, welcome back to class. In today's video, we will talk about the topic method with parameters. So in the previous class we have seen methods that includes the methods like predefined method and user defined methods. So in this video, we will focus on the topic method with parameters. So here you can see public is the access modifier, class followed by class name. So here m parameters is the class name. Inside it we have declared a method that is user defined method multiply and having the return type as void, and it is of static, so it is a static method. Okay, so normally we call it as function definition or the method definition, and this is the method call. So as it is a static method, we no need to create an object for this class. Instead directly we can call the method. So the execution of Java code starts with main. Okay, so this is the method call, and the values that are passed to a method are known as arguments. So here 5 comma 10 and 2 comma 12 are the arguments. Okay, so this is the method definition. So a method definition normally may have method name, here multiply is the method name, and return type, here void is the return type, and method definition will be having the parameters. So here the parameters are int a comma int b, and method definition will be having block. So the block is consisting of a logic that performs some specific task. Okay, so the execution of Java code starts with main, right? So it will enter into the main block and call this particular method multiply by passing 5 comma 10 as arguments. So once this method is called, it will move to this particular method definition. 5 will be assigned to first parameter, so a becomes 5, and 10 will be assigned to second parameter, that is b, so b becomes 10, and now it will execute this particular block. So what happens, multiplication equals to a into b, that is a equals to 5, b equals to 10, 5 into 10 equals to 50, and then it prints multiplication value, that is 5 into 10 50. Now it gives you output as 50. And so this is when the method multiply is called with the arguments 5 comma 10. So once it is executed, it will call the method, the same method multiply, by passing the arguments 2 comma 12. So whenever this particular method is called, so it will again move to this method definition, but this times what happens is a becomes, that is 2, okay, and b becomes, that is 12, and execute this particular block. So what happens, multiplication equals to a into b, so a value is 12, b value is 12. So what happens, 2 into 12, that is equals to 24, and then it prints multiplication value, which is 24, so it gives you output as 24. So when the first method is called with arguments 5 comma 10, it is giving you output as 50, that is 5 into 10, and when the method multiply is called with the arguments 2 comma 12, it is giving the output as 2 into 12, that is 24. So remember one thing, here the arguments are of type int, and here the parameters are also of type int. Suppose if you give the arguments are of type int, and if you define the parameters with the type string, then it gives you the error, because the parameters data type and the arguments data type should always be matched. Okay, so you can pass literals, objects, expressions as arguments to the method call. So this is what about methods with parameters. So this is all about today. Thank you for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.